Hello, and welcome back to class. For this video, we will cover the concept of key signatures. Now, what is a key signature? A key signature is a collection of every accidental found in a scale. So what does this mean? Well, basically, it is the notes a musician looks for at the beginning of a piece to see which notes to play. It'll tell them how many sharps or flats are in the key. Okay, for example, let's look at G major. So G major, as you can see, has one sharp. Right here, this is F sharp. This is how it's commonly written. So as you can see on this top line is F sharp. This means that every F the musician sees in the music will be played as an F sharp. In the key of G major, this is the G major scale, and these are the collections of notes in the scale. Right here. So following the rule that I just explained, if we look at the top line, we see, oh, that is one sharp, F sharp. Okay, so if I follow along on my scale here and I come along to this note. Now regularly, without the sharp, this would be an F. But now, since we have the added sharp, it is called F sharp, and it'll always be played as F sharp in the music unless stated otherwise. So in G major, one sharp equals F sharp. Okay, so naming the key signature. This is a very hard concept to understand at first, but once you know the rule, it'll become easier to identify for yourself. So the sharp key signature rule is you look at the last sharp, you go up a half step, name that note, and this will be the name of the key. So again, look at the last sharp, go up a half step, name that note, this will be the name of the key. For example, so if we are in A major, this is A major, right here. It has three sharps, F sharp, C sharp, and G sharp. What was the last sharp that I named? G sharp, right? Okay, so we look at that G sharp. If you go up a half step to the next note, I assume we all know our notes by now, but refresher. So we have A, B, C sharp, D, E, F sharp, G sharp. Now the next note up from G sharp, we all know, would be another A. So we name that note A, and this is an A major. So we are in the key of A major, which has three sharps. Okay, now it's your turn. Now, name this key signature. Remember the rule. look at the last sharp, go up a half step to the next note, name that note. This will be your key. So if you don't know what that note is, take some time to think about what this note is. What line is this sharp? What line does this sharp fall on? Okay, hopefully that gave you enough time to think. If not, pause the video and return to it. And welcome back. So, 4 sharps is E major, right? We had in a D sharp, it fell on the D line. The sharps will always be on the line or space in which note they will be an accidental of. So since this was the last sharp, fell on the D line. So D sharp, up a half step to E. E major is the key with 4 sharps. Okay, I hope this made sense. Stay tuned to learn about flat key signatures.